Hello everyone, Two Games here, and today we're going to solve the mystery of why the YouTube views freeze at 3 on 1. So YouTube have several data banks around the world. Those servers collect all the data from viewers who watch videos. For example, if somebody from Brazil watches a video, then the data will be sent to the most close server, which will be the one in Brazil. Once all the data from the viewers has been collected, then it will be sent to the main server located in North America. Why do all views get stuck at a certain amount? Well, that is because YouTube changed their way of counting views. The reason behind this was because of all the unfair advantages of bots, refreshing, and other ways. YouTube discovered it, and after that they completely took a new direction in the way of counting views. Why does it get stuck? Well, that's because YouTube wants to be sure that all the views are real and not fake. Once a video is uploaded, who is getting views in a really fast amount and the channel itself is not popular at all, well, then YouTube will stop and freeze the view to check out if all the views are real. This process takes up to half a day or a day. My video is already uploaded for 2 months and still frozen. Well, that is because YouTube checked your view count and discovered that you had fake views. This means you need to get the remaining views as real views. If you want to check out your process, then check out analytics. You can directly see which views are real and which were not. Why 3-on-1? Is there a reason for it? No, exactly, it's a decoding solution. Because the 3-on-1 has been chosen as a freezing number, because it's an even number and it works with the code of the website itself. What should I do if my views get stuck on